Good day guys, welcome back to another video with Mr. Sa. In this video, I'll be teaching you guys on how to add fractions with different denominators. Without wasting any time, let's get right to it guys. Now first of all guys, in order for us to add or subtract fraction, we have to make sure that the denominators are the same. Now if you take a look at this question right here, we can easily see that the denominators are not the same. Now, the method that I'll be teaching you guys is what I would like to call the butterfly method. Alright guys, so what we are going to do is we're going to take the first fraction, which is 2 over 5, and multiply it with the opposite denominator. The opposite denominator is 4, right guys? So we're going to be multiplying it with 4 over 4. Now similarly, I'm going to take the second fraction, which is 3/4 or 3 over 4, and multiply it with the opposite denominator, which is times 5 over 5. This is a very easy method guys, because you don't need to find the lowest common multiple at all. Now what we can do, we can just go ahead and multiply them now. 2 times 4 is going to give us 8 over 5 times 4 is going to give us 20 plus 3 times 5 is 15 over 4 times 5 is 20. Now as you can see, the denominators are the same, so we are satisfied. Now we can go ahead and add this fraction. So we are going to have 8 plus 15 is 23 over 20. Alright guys, now if you take a look at it, we know that this is an improper fraction, and in some cases the question will ask you to change it to a mixed number. So in this case, the final answer will be 1 and 3/20th. Alright guys, now if you guys don't know how to convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, please comment below and I'll make sure to make a video on it. Now if you take a look at question number 2 guys, you'll know that why this won't be as helpful in all the cases. Now let's get to it and then I'll let you guys know why. So what do? We take the first fraction, 5 over 9, and multiply it with the opposite denominator, times 15 over 15, plus we take the second fraction, which is 2 over 15, and multiply it with the opposite denominator, which is 9 over 9. So now what do we have guys? 5 times 15 is going to give us 75 over 9 times 15 is going to give us 135, plus 2 times 9 is going to give us 18 over 15 times 9 is also going to give us 135. Now we are satisfied now, as the denominators are the same. We can go ahead and add this fraction. So we're going to have 93 over 135. Now in some cases guys, once we get to this answer, we have to make sure that and check if the answer here can be simplified or not, as in some exams, if you don't write the answer in the most simplest form, they are not going to give you the full marks. So if you take a look at it guys, we can see that both of these numbers can be divided by 3 over 3, right? So 93 divided by 3 is going to give us 31 over 135 divided by 3 is going to give us 45. Now this will be our final answer, as it cannot be simplified anymore. Now the next method, what I would like to teach you guys is what I call the LCM method. Alright guys, so let me write the question down. So I have 5 over 9 plus 2 over 15. I'm going to solve the same question guys. So let's go ahead and find the lowest common multiple. So let's write the multiples of 9. So we have 9, 18, 27, not 23, 27, 36, 45, 54. Let's write maybe one more, 63. Now let's go ahead and write for 15 here guys. So we have 15, 30, 45, 60, 75. Now if you take a look at it, we can easily see that 45 is our lowest common multiple, right guys? So we know the LCM of 9 and 15 is equal to 45. Now using this guys, we can easily convert these fractions to have the denominator as 45. Now we can easily know that 9 times what is 45? We know that 9 times 5 is 45. And also for the second fraction, let's check 15 times what is 45, and we can see that 15 times 3 is 45, right guys? And once you have reached this stage, we can go ahead and multiply them. So we have 25 over 45 plus 6 over 45, which is equal to 31 over 45. Now, whichever method you do, guys, if you choose the first method or the second method, the final answer is going to be the same. Just know that if you use the butterfly method, just make sure once you get the final answer, just have a look at it and check if it can be simplified anymore. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments below which method you enjoyed and liked the most, and if you would like for me to do any other topic for my next video. Now hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, don't forget to leave a like button and comment below whatever topic you want me to do next. Until next time, guys, have a very nice day.